we have this inequality question here to solve. The LCM is 20. So we have 20 times 2 on 5. Then you have bracket open 3 gen minus 4 less than or equal to 20 times 3 over 4. Then bracket open gen minus 2 minus 1. So this here 1, here 4. Then we have here 1, here 5. So this becomes 8 at the back. 3 gen minus 4 bracket less than or equal to, this is 15 gen minus 2 minus 1. Then we expand the bracket. It will expand the bracket here. So here we have 24 gen minus 8 4 32 less than or equal to, this is 15 gen, that's 15 times gen, that's 15 gen. Then 15 by 2, that is 30 minus 1. So we group like terms. 24 gen minus 15 gen less than or equal to, here you have minus 30 minus 1, that will give minus 31. Transfer the 32 here, that's minus 32, so it will be plus 32. Then this will give you 9, so 9 gen less than or equal to, this will give you, that is 1, positive 1. So 9 gen less than or equal to 1, you divide by 9. By 9, 9 cancel 9, you get gen to be 1 on 9. Right, 1 on 9. And you were asked to illustrate the answer on the number line. So to illustrate this, number line should be within the range of your answer. So let me see, I have 0, 1, 2, 3. Right, so here 1 on 9 is not up to 1, so it will be somewhere here. 1 on 9, we draw the circle, then point to this side, you shade, because we have equal sign under it. Right, so the sub question will be back to solve that one later.